Now see beta, question number 10. Question number 10 is that find the difference between the place value of 7 in. We have given digit 9, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 0, 6, 0, 6, 7, 9, 9. Okay. 7, 9, 9. Now write there unit, tenth, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh or crore. See that it will be multiplied by 1, multiplied by 10, multiplied by 100, multiplied by 1000, multiplied by 10,000, multiplied by lakh, multiplied by 10 lakh. Okay. Now see that beta. You have to find the difference between the place value of 7. Okay. First, place value of 7 means you can write that first 7. Place value of first 7. What it will be? That 7 multiplied by 100. 7 into 100. It will be 700. Now, place value of second 7. This is. It will be multiplied by 10 lakh is equal to 7 into 10 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will become 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have to take their difference. Difference between place values. What it will be? Greatest number minus smallest number. Write that 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and minus 700. See that 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0. Here take carry, it will become 10. 10 minus, here it will become 6. Rest of the number will become 9, 9 and 9. 10 minus 7, 3. Here then 9, 9, 9, 6. It will be your answer. Have you understood what we have done? First, we have written number. Then according to the Indian place value system, we have given the values to the numbers. Then we have seen that the number means in this number in this digit we have to find the place value of 7. So we have seen that 7 is in which place? First 7 it will be multiplied by 100, so its value will be 7 into 100, that is 700. Second 7 is this one, it is in 10 lakhs place, so it will be multiplied by 10 lakh. 7 into 10 lakh, whatever will come. Then we have to find their difference, and for difference you already know that what we are doing. We are doing that greatest value minus smallest value. Means greatest number and minus smallest, whatever will come, that will be your answer, because subtraction all of you know. And if you suppose are poor, then this is a very good time to learn all these means arithmetic operations. Addition, subtractions, multiplication, division. It is very good time for you to learning all these operations at your home also. Otherwise, everybody should know the subtraction. Okay. Now we are going to move next question. That is question number 11. Now beta question number 12. That is question number 11. Find the difference between the place value and the face value of 6. Okay, first you will write the number, then you give the number, means places according to Indian place value system, and see that in which place digit 6 will come and by which number it should be multiplied, as I did previously, the previous question, and it will be its place value. And you have to find in this question the difference between the place value and face value. Okay, in by finding this way, as I did in previous question, you will get the place value of 6. And then what I said for face value will remain 6 itself, means for face value the digit always remains same. Then in this way you will get the means 6 in 1000 place, so its place value will be 6000, and subtract 6 from this number, that will be face value, and whatever number will come, that will be your answer. In this way, question number 11 is your homework. You have learned how you will solve that. Then see that question number 12. What is question number 12? Write all the 3-digit number. Write all the 3-digit number using 572 and find the difference between the greatest and the smallest number. Okay, what you have to do? 5, 7 and 2 you have, and you have to make all the 3 digits number using 5, 7 and 2. In this way you will get one greatest number and one is smallest number, means you will get, it may be 4, 5 or 6 number. Okay, suppose 7 number, maybe I don't know that how many numbers will come, you just find them. Suppose one number will be 572, then change their value, 7 can be 752, then 257. In this way you just find all the number by using these digits, and in this way whatever number will come greatest, one number will come greatest and one will be the smallest value. If you will arrange all the digit in their descending order, then you will get the greatest and smallest, and then take their difference. Okay, means write 3-digit number using and find the difference between the greatest and smallest. You will do this question in your homework also, means use these digit in a different way. You will write that sometimes write means 572 one number, then 752, then 257, and then bring them in sometimes in unit place, sentence place and 100 place. In this way you will get more number, then arrange them in descending order, then you will get greatest number or smallest number and take their difference. This is also your homework part. You have also done these kind of question. Now come to the question number 13. Question number 13 is that how many thousand make a lakh? See that. How many thousand make 1 lakh? Okay. What you will do? First write 1 lakh. Write 1 lakh in numerals. 1 0 0 0 0 0. Okay. Then how many thousand make 1 lakh? And thousand value, thousand is equal to, how many thousand make 1 lakh means 1 lakh divided by 1000. It will be divided by 1000. How many thousand make 1 lakh? 100,000 will, what answer came? 100 is being remaining. So 100,000 make 1 lakh. 100,000 make 1 lakh. This will be your answer. Okay. In the same way, you are having next question. See that. How many thousand make 1 crore? What you will do in this question? First, as I have written a 1 lakh, you will write 1 crore here. Okay. Then how many thousand? 1000, again you will write here 1000. Then in next step what you will do, 1 crore divided by 1000, whatever number number will be left, or that quotient will come, that will be your answer. Means question number 14. Next is question number 14, that is also your homework. You will do that is same question, you just try to do that question yourself. Then if you will have doubt, you can ask me, I will make it clear, as I already making it clear that in place of 1 lakh, because it is written that how many thousand make 1 crore, and previously what was how many thousand make 1 lakh. So first you write 1 crore value in numerals, then 1000 value in numerals, and divide. Next step, 1 crore divided by 1000, that whatever quotient will come, that will be your answer. Okay, and now see that question number 15 till question number 14 we have completed. Now come to the question number 15.